Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is all about my drone. It's such a windy day. Thankfully it's not raining, but I decided to go fly my drone for the third time. I couldn't control it. I was so lucky I didn't crash it. Almost crashed 3 times. So you be the judge. You tell me how I ventured flying my DJI Tello on this Saturday afternoon in very windy conditions. So if you're interested to see how I nearly crashed my drone, then please keep watching. One of my greatest fears is crashing that drone. It doesn't have a gimbal. I don't have very good control of it. And I think most of these drones that don't have gimbals are going to be very difficult to control. So for those of you that have got drones, and perhaps I'm wrong or right on this issue, but from what I've been told, the Spark has more control, the DJI Spark. But until I get this Tello under control, there's no way to venture into the next level with the Spark. So on that note, If you enjoyed watching this video of me flying my DJI Tello drone for the 3rd time, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going now, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.